Jordan Peterson, watch before they delete this. Jordan Peterson, one of the most controversial figures of our time, is here to challenge your thinking. What are the dangers of ideological thinking? Why is it important to pursue truth even when it's inconvenient? What role does freedom of speech play in our society? Stay tuned to find out what Jordan Peterson has to say. When it comes to unraveling the intricacies of complex phenomena such as male aggression, it's crucial to adopt a comprehensive approach. Rather than fixating on a single favored explanation, explore a multitude of potential causes. This approach allows for a more accurate understanding of the issue at hand. The pitfall of ideological thinking lies in its tendency to oversimplify multifaceted problems. Ideological thinking can be dangerous because it oversimplifies complex issues, failing to consider the many factors at play. This simplification can lead to misunderstandings and ineffective solutions. The world we inhabit is far from straightforward. It's a web of interwoven factors and influences. Relying on a single ideological perspective to explain complex phenomena is akin to trying to capture the entire universe within a narrow frame. It's simply inadequate. By embracing a more holistic viewpoint, we open ourselves up to the vast array of variables that contribute to these complex issues. Male aggression, for instance, cannot be boiled down to a single factor, whether it's television violence, video games, or alcohol. It's a convergence of numerous elements, some known and others yet to be discovered. The world is too intricate to be confined by the rigid boundaries of ideology. To truly comprehend complex phenomena, we must venture beyond our preconceived notions and explore the vast landscape of possibilities. Only then can we hope to gain a more profound insight to the multifaceted nature of issues like male aggression, acknowledging that their roots run deeper than any single ideology can fathom. Poverty, a deeply entrenched and pervasive issue, defies simplification. It is a multifaceted predicament with roots that reach into various realms of human existence. To truly comprehend poverty, one must acknowledge its complex nature, for it is not reducible to a single cause. Economic factors undoubtedly play a significant role in poverty. The scarcity of financial resources, limited access to job opportunities, and income inequality are all key contributors. However, poverty's web extends far beyond economics alone. Social factors such as unequal access to education and healthcare, discrimination, and systemic injustices also contribute to the perpetuation of poverty. These social determinants can create a cycle that keeps individuals and communities trapped in impoverished conditions. Yet, delving even deeper, we encounter psychological aspects. The impact of poverty on mental health, self-esteem, and motivation cannot be underestimated. The psychological toil of living in poverty can hinder individuals' ability to break free from its grip. Attempting to pinpoint a single cause for poverty oversimplifies the issue and, in turn, hampers effective solutions. Poverty is more akin to a puzzle with numerous interconnected pieces. Each factor interacts with others in complex ways, making it a challenge to address comprehensively. Therefore, recognizing poverty's multifaceted nature is the first step towards addressing it effectively. Solutions must be equally multifaceted, addressing economic, social, and psychological aspects. To truly combat poverty, one must embrace the complexity of the issue and approach it with a holistic understanding that acknowledges the intricate interplay of its causes. Honesty is a beacon in the tumultuous sea of communication. It has the power to illuminate the darkest corners of our interactions and guide us toward uncharted territories of understanding. Speaking forthrightly, even when the truth is uncomfortable, is as courageous an act that can yield unexpected and profoundly rewarding outcomes. Pursuing truth, even when it's inconvenient, is crucial because it leads to authentic understanding and meaningful progress. It ensures that we don't overlook uncomfortable truths that need addressing. When we choose to be candid, we invite authenticity into our conversations. This authenticity, although initially challenging, fosters genuine connections with others. It builds trust, for it demonstrates that we value truth over convenience. People respect and appreciate the sincerity of someone who doesn't hide behind layers of deceit or half-truths. Embracing the adventure of speaking our minds takes us on a journey of self-discovery. It forces us to confront our own beliefs and biases, encouraging personal growth and a deeper understanding of our own values. It's a path to self-awareness that can be both liberating and transformative. Forthright speech can be an act of service to others. When we share our thoughts honestly, we provide valuable perspectives and insights. We contribute to informed decision-making and help others navigate the complexities of life. In this way, we become not only authentic individuals, but also valuable members of our communities. However, it's important to remember that speaking the truth should be done with respect and empathy. Honesty should never be used as a weapon to hurt or demean others. Instead, it should be a tool to foster meaningful connections, encourage growth, and contribute positively to the world. In the end, the adventure of speaking the truth is an adventure worth embarking upon. It can lead to unexpected connections, personal growth, and the profound satisfaction of being of genuine service to others. If you've been watching this video till now, please remember to like it and subscribe to our channel. In the pursuit of a fulfilling life, the balance between happiness and meaning is a delicate but crucial one. While seeking meaning is essential for a sense of purpose and fulfillment, it's equally important not to dismiss happiness when it graces our lives unexpectedly. Meaning is the compass that guides us toward our long-term goals, a sense of contribution, and personal growth. It often involves pursuing endeavors that may not always make us immediately happy, but they bring a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment in the long run. Activities like helping others, learning, or overcoming challenges can infuse our lives with deep meaning. On the other hand, happiness often arises from simpler, more immediate pleasures. These moments of joy may come from spending quality time with loved ones, enjoying a delicious meal, or experiencing the simple beauty of nature. They offer a sense of contentment and well-being. The key to a well-rounded life is recognizing that both happiness and meaning have their unique places and values. They can coexist harmoniously, enriching our existence. Pursuing meaning doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It means understanding that they can complement each other. It's essential to understand that different forms of engagement and pleasure can sometimes conflict. For example, the pursuit of a meaningful career may require long hours and hard work, temporarily reducing the time available for immediate happiness. However, the sense of purpose derived from that work can ultimately lead to profound happiness. The art of balancing happiness and meaning lies in embracing both, allowing them to enhance and enrich one another. Meaning gives life depth and direction, while happiness adds joy and fulfillment to our journey. In this delicate equilibrium, we find a more profound and lasting sense of well-being and purpose. Human beings possess a remarkable instinct, the desire to admire others. This instinct is deeply rooted in our nature and has profound implications for personal development. When we admire someone, we are in essence drawn to emulate them, and this admiration can be a powerful catalyst for our growth and development. Admiration often arises when we recognize qualities, skills, or achievements in others that we aspire to have or accomplish ourselves. It's an instinctive response to excellence or attributes that we find valuable. The recognition of admirable traits can serve as a beacon, guiding us towards self-improvement. The act of admiring someone can be a source of inspiration. It ignites a desire within us to learn, to evolve, and to reach higher levels of personal achievement. We might be inspired to acquire new knowledge, develop certain skills, or adopt positive behaviors that we've witnessed in those we admire. Admiration can also act as a source of motivation. It fuels our determination to strive for greatness, to overcome obstacles, and to persevere in the face of challenges. The role models we admire become beacons of possibility, showing us that our goals are attainable through dedication and effort. Admiration fosters a sense of connection and community. It enables us to bond with like-minded individuals who share our admiration for certain figures or ideals. This sense of shared admiration can lead to collective growth and collaboration. The instinct to admire others is a fundamental part of our humanity. It's not merely a passive reaction, but a dynamic force that propels us towards personal growth and development. By recognizing and harnessing this instinct, we can use admiration as a positive catalyst for self-improvement, inspiration, motivation, and the formation of meaningful connections with others who share our aspirations. Freedom of speech is a cornerstone of democratic societies, a principle that underpins the exchange of ideas, the pursuit of knowledge, and the protection of individual liberties. Freedom of speech is vital as it allows diverse ideas to flourish. It empowers individuals to express themselves and fosters a society where people can access a wide range of perspectives, enabling informed decision-making and democratic engagement. When we limit free speech, we not only restrict the rights of the speaker, but also impede the fundamental right of others to access diverse information and engage in critical thinking. In a world where information flows ceaselessly, diverse perspectives are essential. The marketplace of ideas thrives on the diversity of thought, allowing society to sift through competing viewpoints and make informed decisions. When we limit speech, we risk depriving people of the opportunity to engage with a wide array of ideas, stifling intellectual growth and suppressing the very essence of democracy. Trust in people's intelligence and discernment is at the core of safeguarding free speech. We should believe that individuals can evaluate and discern between various viewpoints, ultimately arriving at well-informed conclusions. The suppression of speech underestimates the capacity of people to think critically, make reasoned judgments, and engage in constructive dialogue. Freedom of speech not only protects the speaker's right to express themselves, but, more importantly, it safeguards society's right to access information, fostering a culture of open discourse and democratic participation. It is through this free exchange of ideas and societies that grow, adapt, and progress. In embracing this freedom, we affirm our commitment to a society that values both individual expression and collective intelligence. Hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more, and thanks for watching.